Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with PracticePanther legal software. PracticePanther is legal practice management software designed for lawyers and law firms of all sizes. It aims to streamline tasks like client management, billing, time tracking, and document management. Key features include case management, time entry, invoicing, and communication tools. Their website provides details on pricing plans and features. PracticePanther positions itself as a user-friendly and affordable solution, emphasizing ease of use and a focus on improving efficiency. They highlight features like automated billing and reporting capabilities, aiming to reduce administrative burden. Pricing is transparent, and they offer various plans to suit different needs. Availability is worldwide, accessible via web browser. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using PracticePanther. Getting started was surprisingly easy. The onboarding process was straightforward, with helpful tutorials and readily available documentation. I found the interface intuitive. The dashboard displays key information at a glance, such as upcoming deadlines and outstanding invoices. I particularly appreciated the integrated time tracking. It's incredibly simple to start and stop the timer for different cases. I also made good use of the document management system, which allowed me to easily organize and access client files. Performance was consistently smooth and reliable throughout my usage. I had a quick question about setting up automated email reminders, and their support responded within a day via email, providing clear instructions. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, and the standout feature for me was definitely the automated invoicing. One minor drawback was the initial learning curve associated with understanding the advanced reporting features, but once I grasped them, they proved invaluable. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with PracticePanther. It significantly streamlined my workflow and reduced the administrative overhead of my small legal practice. That's my overview of PracticePanther legal software. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.